Look, if you've seen my videos, you've seen I build retainer walls with no forms. Here's one right here. This had no forms. All solid concrete. We throw the concrete on the ground. We have a chemical that we put in there, stack it up, and we build this concrete wall. It's structural. It's amazing. In fact, I'd like you to come to a training, and I'm not going to charge you one dime. You come to our training free, and I'm going to show you how to build this. You've probably seen some of the videos under LearnCrete, tons of it, LURNCRATE, and you see all the videos that we have on how we do this. Well, I want to show you. You can come to any of our trainings, put your email down, and be glad to have you at one of my trainings. And of course, positions are limited right now, but see if you can get in there. Click down there. We'll contact you, set things up, and see if we can teach you how to do this. And let me show you what else we do. All kinds of different things with concrete. Check it out. Guys coming out from Texas, coming out from with the steps here, you've got to get it done right away, and so it has to look good right away. So this is some real good techniques that we've done here. So LearnCrete, come out, learn with us, teach you how to do it. But this is a big, large structural wall. Till then, I'll catch you on the next one. We'll catch you a little bit later.